So as everybody had a concern ki you're stuck what you want to do next. You're doing designing, you're doing your gemologist and everything, but you're not sure what you want to do. So maybe this would just help you out. I've just drawn like 3 circles. Is it clear? Everybody is able to see this?
Yes.
I've written 3 circles. So it's just like ABC we've learned in Max, no? 3 intersecting circles. So the first circle mentions passion. The second mentions strength. And the third mentions money. And on the intersecting area, I have just darkened it, right? Where where all the 3 circles are intersecting. So maybe you can just copy it down if you have a pen and a paper, if you can just remember it also. It's called a PSM activity. So wherein we call passion, strength and money. So this we generally do it with our business development heads when they want to fix up their targets. They are stuck and they really they don't know how to move forward next with their sales target. So we do this with all our BDM people. So this is what I'm sharing with you. This applies for your dreams. This applies for your next level of life. It applies for every stage of your life. Now, passion. What is passion? What is interest and what is passion? What is the difference? Interest or passion? What is interest?
Passion is your drive to do something.
Okay, great. What is interest? Interest is also a drive, no?
Interest you may like doing something is your interest. But you are driven towards doing something is pursuing your passion.
Very nice. Super, ma'am. Great. What else? Next. Anybody else? Difference between interest and passion?
So interest is something that you and Naman sir were standing and watching the match, and passion is what Sachin Tendulkar is achieving.
Great.
Wow.
That is also nice.
Great
That
example.
is also nice. Super. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of creative answers. Very nice. Next.
Design.
What else? What else?
A desire mixed with enthusiasm.
Okay. Great. What else? Anybody else wants to post anything else?
Interest can be created. I don't think so. Passion can be created.
Okay.
Interest is something which you love. Passion is what you want to do.
Okay. Now Matthew sir is like, I'm completely confused. कोई definition बोल रहा है, somebody कोई definition बोल रहा है. So like,
I think passion is very intrinsic.
okay.
Interest can be developed by external factors too. So it can be extrinsic.
Okay. So I'm giving you a very simple definition as I gave earlier also, no? For commitment and everything was very simple, right? So I'm giving a very simple definition for interest and passion. Interest is which you like to do maybe once or twice or thrice or maybe 10 times. But passion is something which even when you do it for the 1000th time, you do it with the same interest like which you did it for the first time.
Correct.
So that's the simple difference. Passion is something which you will never get bored out of it at all. Even if you do it for the 1000th time, you'll have that same excitement which you did it like when you did it for the first time. The example, bungee jumping. Bungee jumping can be a interest for somebody. He just wants to try. ठीक है, एक बार try करना. So he'll go for bungee jumping once, maybe twice again, thrice again. 4th time he'll be like, yeah, I've already done it 3 times. It's okay, I want to try another sport. So bungee jumping becomes his interest, but not his passion. But for few people, even if they keep doing it regularly, every time they do it, they experience like they have done it for the first time. So the kind of excitement will be so lively, right? So passion is something which you do again and again and again and again, but still you have the same excitement which you had for the first time. That's passion.
Yeah.
So interest and passion, what you have for yourself, you need to really identify that. Say example now, come to designing. Designing is your interest or it's your passion. Second, diamond grading. So diamond grading is your interest or it's your passion. Colored stones. Somebody spoke about ruby, who was into chains. Who spoke about chains and all? Somebody spoke about chains, right? Who was it? Kushal. Yeah. So now you're learning something new about rubies, emeralds and all these. So find out rubies, emeralds, color stones. There are lots of other color stones. There are hundreds of colors: amethyst, citron, cat's eye, garnet. There are so many color stones. So if you love colors and if you want to go ahead enhancing, then find out if it's your interest or if it's your passion. Okay. So number one is, there are 3 circles. One is interest and passion, wherein we give importance to passion and not to interest. So very clearly find out what is your interest and rule that out. What is your passion? Go for that. Second comes strength. Strength में क्या है? So example, I like to sing. I'll give my example as well. I'm explaining you a simple example so it's easy for you to understand. It's more easy that way. I like to sing, but say if I sing, will I be nominated for an Oscar award? No. If I sing, will I be able to get a chance to go to some award function or to some stage function or anything? No, because it's not my strength. So if it's my passion, you need to develop your passion as your strength also. आपका passion है, you like to design jewelry, right? So example, there are like thousands of designers. So everybody has a passion to design, no? So how do you portray yourself differently so that it becomes your strength and you emerge the first among all the thousands? So passion alone is not important. If you have a passion, it is important for you to convert your passion to your strength. You have to keep working on that till it becomes your strength. Everybody is clear about strength?
Yeah.
Strength is something, it's very simple to understand. 1000 लोगों में से when you are emerging and coming out, that becomes your strength again. That means 1000 people are doing it, but you are more good at doing it. That's why you come ahead of others, right? Simple. And when you do something which is your passion and which is your strength also, it is going to get you what? It's going to get you
money.
Simple. Right now, everybody who asked me कि I want to do, मुझे कुछ करना है, I want to do something, I don't know what to do. Everybody are talking in terms of future. Everybody is talking in terms of business. Everybody is talking in terms of a job, or you're talking in terms of a career, right? Everything you're doing, why are you doing that? The primary, everybody might say, I'm doing it for satisfaction, I'm doing it for my happiness, I'm doing it for family. All that is all one side. One side comes the major factor called money. We're all there for earning money, right? Yes. Satisfaction is there, happiness is there, love is there, affection is there. You're taking the business of the family of the forward, leke ja rahe ho, 4th generation, 5th generation. You're taking it forward. All that is there, but ultimately everything is driven to money, right?
That's
So now to get money, now what you need to do is make a list of your passions. Make a list of your strengths separately. Find out what all your passions are, what all you keep doing regularly and you're interested to do it again and again. It doesn't bore you at all. And find out what your strengths are. कि आपको drawing करते रहते हो, आपका हाथ नहीं दुखता, you keep drawing, but still you're enjoying it. You're doing it better than others. So if you're finding that it's your strength, then obviously it can be a business opportunity for you through which you can make money. So that's the PSM activity basically for people who are stuck and not knowing what to do next. See, if you're doing something for life which you are passionate and which is your strength also, then obviously you're not going to get bored of it, right?
Yeah.
Because it's your passion. And obviously you're not going to fail also because it's your strength.
Yeah.
So your passion and your strength, when you list down, there will be few common factors. So जब आप list करोगे, you can list down drawing, you can list down manual drawing, you can list down CAD, you can list down CAM, whatever. You can list down diamond grading, you can list down rough. Whatever you're learning at JK. Maybe even if you want to do additional things also, this is singing, dancing, or maybe cricket. For a lot of boys, it may be cricket as well. So a lot of your passions and a lot of your strengths, when you list out, you'll find few common factors in that. For example, drawing is my passion also and drawing is my strength also. Coral draw is my passion and Coral draw is my strength also. Say matrix is my passion and matrix is my strength also. say diamond grading is my passion when I'm learning at JK, and diamond grading is also my strength because my father is running his own factory. Like Kushali spoke about gold chains. Now gold chains, your father is doing plain gold chains. When you learn here about rubies and emeralds and everything, see how you can club your father's business, add color stones to chains.
Yes.
Chains में बीच में rubies and emeralds जब आप add कर लोगे, so that becomes a strength which may not many people might be doing it. So passion and strength, you need to list it out and just see which becomes a common factor and see how you can take it as a business forward, which will make money for you automatically.